Hello dear student, how are you? Dear student, today I am present here with a new topic, Physical and Health Education Class 12, Unit 3, Yoga and Lifestyle. Topic, Yoga for Preventive Asthma. So dear student, you are watching that. Today there are the many peoples they are suffering from asthma. Asthma, a very critical disease. It can be happen small kids to elder and old age peoples. So it's a very danger disease. So how can we prevent of asthma and how can we cure of asthma by the yoga asana? So in this topic we have to read today about that how can we prevent asthma, how can we cure of asthma. So student, first of all you have to understand that what is asthma, how can we identify the asthma. So student, asthma is a chronic lungs disease that inflames or swollen and narrow the respiratory tract in the lungs. So asthma is a chronic lungs disease that inflames or swollen and narrow the respiratory tract in the lungs. Narrow the respiratory tract or lungs. That's why the person who suffer from asthma, they feel suffocation or they feel problem to inhale oxygen or inhale breathe. So symptoms include coughing, shortness of breath and chest tightness caused by dust, pollen grains, air pollution, animal skin, hair, feathers, etc. Effective treatment of allergic asthma include identify and avoiding the allergens that trigger symptoms using drug therapies and developing an emergency action plan for severe attacks. And causes the asthma affect people of all ages, but it most often starts during the childhood. The prime causes for this problem is pollution. Though different asthma treatments are available, yoga therapy is the most preferred natural remedy for asthma as it is effective and has no side effect. So first by the yoga asana, how can we prevent asthma? So first of all, Sukhasana. So you are watching the position of the Sukhasana. In this asana, we sit similar to sitting in a simple cross-legged position while opening the hips and lengthening the spine. The asana's relative ease and on knees makes it easier than Siddhasana. Padmasana for people with the physical difficulties. The benefit of this Sukhasana: cure asthma, calms the brain, strengthens the back, stretches the knees and ankles. Contraindication: person suffering with joint problem of knee or ankle should not to do this asana. So you are watching that the position of the Sukhasana. In this way you can perform the Sukhasana. Second, Chakrasana. So Chakrasana or the wheel pose is a backward bending yoga asana. Chakra in the Sanskrit means wheel and asana means oppose. In Chakrasana, the final position look like a wheel. Hence, the name Chakrasana gives great flexibility to the spine. Lie down on the yoga mat looking upwardly. Fold your legs and keep it down below your but makes sure that your sole of the feet touches the floor. Bring both of your hands and keep it beneath the shoulders like the finger. See the legs. Then slowly raise your hip, shoulder, and the head from the floor. Then keep your neck loosely and bend your back as much possible. You are watching the figure here of Chakrasana. The benefit of Chakrasana: increase the flexibility of the spine and tones of the muscles of the whole body, cure kyphosis and asthma, cure digestive problem, constipation, gastric pulse, diabetes, etc. Contraindication: person suffering from heart problems, ulcer, hernia, sciatica should not perform this asana. They should have to avoid this asana. Next, Gomukh asana. So Gomukhasans can also mean the lightness of the head of the light in the head. However, this asana get its name because when one is performing the asana, the body resembles of cow's face. The things and cups are replaced in such a way that they are wide at one end and tapering at the other. The benefit of this asana increase the flexibility of the spine and tones of the muscles of the whole body, cure kyphosis, cure asthma, back pain, etc. Contraindication of this asana: person who suffers shoulder problems should not perform this asana. Next is Parvatasana. So Parvatasana is a simple seated asana which is considered to be one of the most important seated postures in yoga. While the legs are grounded in the Padmasana or lotus pose, the whole of the upper body is stretched upward with the arms over the head and palms pressed together. Benefit of this asana: increase the flexibility of spine, cure kyphosis, cure asthma and back pain. So you can watch here Parvatasana. We can perform the two types. First type positions, both your foot and hand touch the floor and make upward your waist. And next Parvatasana you have to make perform like this: the both hand upside, join the hand and make the upside. So contraindication of this asana: the few person they cannot perform this asana. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. From lying position, start raising the upper part of the body without support of the head while looking up. Benefit: prevent and cure diabetes, improve digestive function, cures cold, bronchitis problems, kyphosis, obesity, neck spondylitis. Contraindication of this asana: person suffering from severe back and hernia should not perform this Bhujangasana. Now, they stand Paschimottanasana. Sitting with the straight leg in front, legs stretched while trying to touch the forehead to the knees. Hands hold the feet. Benefit of this asana: relieve the diabetes patient, control weight and prevent obesity. Back and leg muscles are strength, is relaxed, cure gastric, indigestion and constipation problem. So contraindication of this asana: person suffering from heart problem, ulcer, hernia, sciatica should not to do this asana. Sitting with the straight legs in front, leg straight while the trying to touch the forehead to the knees. Contraindication: person suffering from heart problem, ulcer, hernia, they have to not perform this asana. So Matsya asana. This asana is also known as a fish pose. Lie on your back, your feet are together and hands relaxed alongside with the body. Keeping the chest elevated, lower the head backward and touch the top of the head to the floor. Lift your chest in between the shoulder blades, press the thigh and legs to the floor. Benefit of this Matsyasana: cure asthma problem, control weight and prevent obesity. Back and leg muscles are strength and relax, cure gastric, indigestion and constipation problem. Contraindication of this asana: person suffering from back pain should not to do perform this asana. So dear student, today you have to read about the how can we prevent and cure of asthma. Now we will meet in the next PPT with a new topic. So whatever things I am teaching you, you have to revise and make notes and complete the question answer also. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.